Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your boy T. I am in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the Holiday Inn downtown Bowling Green, where the Cultural Awareness Corvette Weekend is hosting a block party. And when I tell y'all I've had fun this weekend, it's been insane. I mean, if you like being around cars, gearheads, especially Corvettes, this is the place to be. From what I understand, talking to the people in the community, this has been one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Corvette events this weekend. This year. And last year, they wasn't even ready. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm going to go over. I just got out the car. I'm going to go over here to the party and see what's up. But from what I saw, I mean, this is going to be pretty wild. I probably won't be able to, give y'all any commentary because I'm pretty sure they're going to be playing some music or whatever. And due to copyright restrictions on YouTube, I'll probably do like a voiceover or whatever. But at any rate, I'm here in the thick of it, and I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse into what's going on, so y'all can get y'all tickets for next year. And from what I understand, I talked to one of the event organizers, and he said that I think they start opening up around November. So if you want to attend next year, go ahead and get your tickets in November because they do sell out quick. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna walk around the whole parking lot, but like I said, this is just to give you a glimpse of how many cars are actually here. I mean, this is insane. But the cool thing that I like about Corvette people in general is like we tend to be a little bit older, and you're not gonna get a lot of the problems that you get with younger people. But like I said, I can hear the music from here. So hey, how y'all doing today? I'm probably to cut this commentary off because I'm not sure if it's picking up the music or not. But like I said, I just wanted to show y'all the plethora of cars out here. But yeah, all right. You may have seen some of these cars already. I'm pretty sure most of them were out at the museum earlier today, but sometimes they look better at night. I definitely remember seeing that one. And surprisingly, I actually saw, I think, about 3 or 4 ZR1s, and yeah, they're freaking everywhere. Yeah, I got some good pictures of that one earlier. Just wanted to show y'all this cool spec right here. I haven't seen or maybe I have. I think I saw this one earlier, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Red mist with the gray stripes on it. Yeah, that thing is looking good. And then I saw Zeus Bronze. This is Zeus Bronze here. I saw Zeus Bronze earlier with orange rally stripes like that one. And sorry about that. And he had Cleveland Browns on there. So I didn't think. I was like, why does he got orange stripes? But ended up being a Cleveland Browns fan. As you can expect, being a block party, there was lots of dancing, a little bit of drinking, and plenty of fun. There were a few cars with self-contained light shows, kind of like being at a carnival of sorts. Pretty amazing. I even saw a C5 with, I kid you not, a smoke machine in the trunk. It's amazing what some people do to their cars, you know, just to set themselves apart from, you know, the next person.
Yeah.
I saw lots of RVs around the perimeter of the parking lot, and as you can see, you can't hide money. I mean, these things are really nice. And hopefully when I grow up one day, me and my wifey can have us an RV with a trailer and trailer our car to the show. But, you know, that'll be for a later time. But there were also plenty of line dancing going on. There was, as you can expect, you know, some people teaching other people how to do the latest line dance, so, you know, what have you. But overall, like I said, it was a lot of fun. I mean, it was just people, you know, chilling. You know, the weather was beautiful, you know, being in Bowling Green. You know, all of the cars were nice. I mean, it was cool getting to see, you know, different specs and, you know, what people have done to their cars. And I saw just about every modern generation. I mean, I believe it was one C2, maybe. Yeah, saw some, you know, C4s, but most of it was C5, 6, 7, 8, you know, cars that you really want to put on the road. But like I said, overall, I mean, it was lots and lots of dancing, as you can tell. But it was fun to be had by all. Put into these cars and, you know, the light shows, and it was just amazing, guys. I mean, and the wheel wells and it was just out of this world to see the things that people are doing to their cars. But, you know, there was some mild bills, there was some stock stuff. I mean, but, you know, the cool thing about this world is this room for all kinds and, you know, all different flavors. And hey, if you like it, I love it. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe, bell for notification, and we'll see you guys in the next time. Peace out.